A variety of reception spaces await at the USF Health Morsani College of Medicine. For those seeking a space that can accommodate groups ranging in size from 15 to 400 people, there are ample choices. Each location within the 13-story building garnish a true urban vibe. Many offer spectacular views of the surrounding and quickly growing Water Street district. Others offer chic furniture and flexible arrangements, enhancing the ability to gather together and mingle. Options include Vassiliadis Family Atrium, Vesely Lobby, Genschaft Greenbaum Student Center, and Legacy Commons. Beyond the views and furnishing, some spaces are capable of showing videos on wall-mounted monitors. Others offer sound systems perfect for background music, announcements, or the playing of presentations. The Morsani College of Medicine has an exclusive catering team to meet any menu desire. Additionally, the USF Health Downtown Events team will oversee every detail to ensure a smooth and enjoyable event for the meeting planner and attendees. To learn more, contact the USF Health Downtown Events team online and complete the Plan Your Event section, or call 813-224-7847.